What's up, RicoCap family and traders? We're back for another banger recap, and this one was good. So this was the PayPal recap. I did do a previous video a few days ago on Sunday where I charted a naked chart and showed y'all how I would chart it, and then would show y'all the recap of how I would go out and play it. And that's exactly what I did, and we banked today. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly the swing and how we did it, and kind of just give y'all a step-by-step kind of play-by-play how we went about it. So if you haven't gone and watched the PayPal video, it's called High Conviction Setup, a couple videos back, go check it out. It's me just finding this play, charting it out of my watch list, and then showing y'all, hey, I see this high conviction setup. Once this happens, I'm going for it. And this is the recap of just that. So as you can see, I charted it here. This was the setup. We had this pretty massive gap above right here. Saw it on a big flag and knew this is bullish, that if we break above this flag, we're running to 61.35 at least. And this is what happened. So Monday we came out, right? Now it gapped up a little bit, ended up kind of dipping down all the way back to that demand. No entry yet. I wanted to see if we can get above our supply first with a bigger time frame candle. So we dipped down, and I'm playing other things right now, so I'm not even, I'm waiting for this. I have alerts set. I'm just waiting. Defended this demand, so this demand is valid. As you can see, it defended there, and defended it again. Buyer stepped in absolutely at the bottom there and brought it all the way back up. Once we got above that supply that I mentioned right there, I wanted to enter there. So I wanted to make sure we got a 15-minute at least candle body above that, where this is where I entered right there. And we immediately kind of chopped around higher and then started eating the gap. It did eat it a little bit, 6102 high, where it rejected back down to this right here. Supply turned demand, and this is how it kind of happens. So once we get above it, we eat those sellers and we come for that retest where buyers are still there, and they defended. So as you can see, we defended it there. Shot right back up near close, kind of faded right back down, but we're swinging it. So as we got kind of like that first push up, we did slam these calls right here. The 61 call, end of week 7/19, of course, got it for $67. Now by the time it hit this very on, it was already up $80-85. It hit $80-85, so we were already up 10-15% maybe. And I told the members, you can trim here if you want, but I'm swinging, I'm holding this. And I think I did trim a little bit at 80 range, just kind of seeing if we would get that full move. And of course I held the rest, said, hey, look, we're swinging the rest. This is good work right here. It's setting up very nicely. So today came out and we're pre-market. I'm kind of just showing y'all, right? Hold on, showing y'all a little bit real quick. We were above this supply turn demand, all pre-market overnight, and then as you can see, it kind of just was fading higher, melting higher, and I love that. And then today, as you can see, boom. So this is exactly what happened. We kind of trickled all the way up, straight up to the start of that gap fill right there on that first candle. I knew that hourly is going to open up here, 15 is going to open up here. We're getting this move to 61.35 easy. And so absolutely, it opened up back in the 80s. The swing opened up back in the 80s, the 61 calls, and we actually rocketed straight through. In that first 15 minutes, 30 minutes, we got that first move. I'm all out there. Target hit. No need to go further. No need to keep holding on. All out there. All out at $1.10, $1.20. This hit $1.29. It went higher. I'm sure. I was all out there, and we absolutely killed it with this. I alerted it to the members. I also alerted it free on my main Twitter, RicoCapital. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. High conviction, everything on our side, beautiful work, gap fill, everything went according to plan. And this is another banger I wanted to show y'all. Oracle was that first one where I charted, went out and did the same thing, short. We ended up shorting that. This one was for upside. PayPal, we saw another good setup. Gap fill all the way up, a lot of things on our side, above supply, everything worked out perfectly, and it was amazing. Seeing some members gains, banger PayPal trade, over $1,000, easy work. We're up on our accounts, and it's absolutely easy today that we killed it. So Very fun, very good trade. And I showed y'all real time how to chart it, what I did after that, and kind of just, my plays after that. So if you're interested in a mentorship where I teach all of this, I will teach you to find these levels, I will teach you entry, and I will teach you how to bank. Sign up wap.com/RicoCapital, and we're offering, for just this month, we're offering a little bit of a discount. So if you go over to wap.com/RicoCapital, Mentee 50 will get you that 50% off for your first month. So $250. We get at least a few sessions in, 4 sessions before you're charged again. So you can record them. We get a few sessions in together, so I can really help you understand, and you get full access to everything else too, because I want to see you win. I want to show you guys a lot of things that I know, and it's, you're not gonna learn it overnight, but it does get easier and easier, right? So hopefully you guys can take advantage of that as well. And of course, I got another code for YouTube only. So if you're watching this video and you make it to the end right now, you can sign up for my my trade alerts, and getting a part of the team. You can use code YouTube for the RicoCap services, and that's getting access to the zones, and that's getting access to my live alert trades, and the high conviction setups as well, and everything else. $25, 25% off. So all you have to do is enter YouTube into wap.com as the code, and if you have any issues, let me know, but that should work. So a little gem for you guys just watching the YouTube videos, for my YouTube family. But I mean, this was absolutely killer. Look at this. I mean, we saw it broke out, flagged, and then boom, easy work right there. Stress free. We took the trade, left it alone, essentially, woke up the next day, cashed out, easy. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. You don't have to be actively managing this. You don't have to actively do anything. You can just wake up. You had a few minutes, a part of your day yesterday to enter. If you had a few minutes at open, exit, boom, made your money, easy work. So that was just a beautiful play, how I charted it and kind of showed y'all how I played it, and I will make more videos like this. So give it a thumbs up if you like this. Give it a thumbs up, comment, help me out, show some love, support. I want to keep helping you guys grow and just kind of show y'all how easy this is as trading. A lot of people make it more difficult. A lot of people just give nonsense, and I want y'all to learn. So this is how you learn right here. So appreciate you watching the video. Share, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever. Get a part of the family. Come win with us, whatever you want. I'll see you on the next video.